Welcome
right.
to the RyRy&Nikki show. You better come along with us with the puppies.
It gets crazier and crazier each
Look
video.
at this. We got this spot, this girl, and that little boy right there.
Step 1 of the madness completed. Oh, there's little Miss Thing down there too. Alright guys, you ready? They don't know it yet, but they're really just going to get a shower today. So.
This is gonna be fun. We've never been to no place like this, so.
So it's like a self-wash dog service.
On the front. Thank you.
It's a self-wash dog service, so having big dogs, it's hard to wash them in our house. Obviously we just got done with the winter, so hoses are frozen, things like that. So we figured we'd make it a fun day, bring the dogs out to a self-dog wash service and give them all showers.
Tell you what, these dogs are farting back here.
They always fart.
Which one of you guys are farting?
They're excited, so they're farting.
Girl Scout cookie stop.
Of course, we had to stop.
And you won't believe what happened. Frankie jumped in the front seat and locked the doors on us. Luckily my window was halfway down.
Yeah, that was a good one. That would have sucked.
So you ready to go get some crazy dog washes done? Well, come on, Frankie, what's going on? Ready? Get in line. Is that what you want? Just patiently waiting, huh? Mommy wants to pick them out some Nyla bones.
Like here's 2 right here. So one could be for Frankie and one could be for Cora.
That's perfect.
And then Rosie, I always say I want to get her a small one, but she needs like a regular sized one.
Yeah, because then she just wants theirs.
Yeah, and they want hers.
Good boy, Frankie. I mean, Cora. Come on, Frank. Frankie, come on. This one. This one. Come on. Come on. Oh, hell no! Are you waiting? You're waiting. That's a really good one. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Got the little squirt hose. You got a blower up there. Like, what?
Mom, I no be stinky no more. Get me out of here.
One eternity later.